Assalamualaikum and good evening to Sir Zahrul bin Bahrain. My name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Rofi. So today I will do a persuasive speech. My topic is why you should use Seborrheic hair tonic. First of all, a lot of people didn't know that the shampoo that they use in their daily life is actually contain a lot of chemical substances. Alright, the chemical substances are too harsh for the hair and can damage your hair scalp. Okay, it can extract the moisture of your hair and make your hair feel dry and frizzy. Okay, thus it can damage your hair roots. When hair root damage, it can lead towards a lot more of the hair problem such as hair fall and many more. So selecting the right product for a healthy hair growth is so important. Alright, so basically people are being being blinded by the fancy marketing of the shampoo company. They stated that their shampoo can do this and do that, but instead of their shampoo contain a lot of chemical. So today I will provide some recommendation for you to choose which brand of hair tonic that can help you to reduce all your hair problems. Okay, so I assume that you will get a lot of satisfaction after you use this shampoo. So actually the hair tonic that I want to recommend is this Seborrheic hair tonic. So today I will talk about what actually the ingredients of Seborrheic hair tonic, what is the benefit, and lastly I will give you some tips and tutorial on how to use the Seborrheic hair tonic. So what is actually the ingredients of Seborrheic hair tonic? So first, the most important ingredient that contained in this hair tonic is provitamin B5, or it calls as panthenol vitamin B5. Okay, so the benefit from the panthenol vitamin B5 is it has the ability to deeply moisturize and penetrate to the skin and hair. Okay, panthenol is one of the material that contain vitamins, a lot of vitamin. It will help to prevent moisture loss and smooth the structure of our hair. For the next ingredients that contain in the Seborrheic hair tonic, alright, so the ginger root extract. Okay, so as we know, ginger contain a lot of benefit from it. So for hair, the ginger root extract will increase the scalp circulation from the ginger extract active circulatory agents. Okay, it will stimulate the flow of the blood on our scalp. Okay, so which is important to trigger the hair follicle to encourage the hair growth of our hair. Alright, so for the third most important ingredients that contain in the Seborrheic hair tonic is castor oil. So basically, what is castor oil and what is benefit? So castor oil contain a lot of fatty acid inside the castor oil, which is will provide essential protein and its nutrients to help grow the hair follicle. Okay, because of the nutrient from the castor oil that protect our hair follicle, it will help to increase the hair vitality, and after that it will also help the rate of the hair growth for our hair to become more faster. For the fourth, most importantly, Seborrheic hair tonic contain citric acids. Okay, citric acids it works like magic for our hair. Okay, citric acid can help to improve the scalp condition by getting rid of the dandruff that have in our scalp around our hair. Okay, after that, it will increase the flow of our blood circulation, which is good. It can enhance the hair follicle for a healthy hair growth. And lastly, it will also help to cure the scalp and stimulate the hair growth in that area which is the scalp that has been damaged. Alright, jump to the next part, which is the benefit part. Alright, so Seborrheic hair tonic, of course, contain a lot of benefits, as we know from its ingredient. Okay, so the main benefit for the seborrheic hair tonic is, first, it will help to vitalize the scalp. Okay, vitalize the scalp is important of all for the most part of the hair. Okay, second, it will strengthen our hair. Okay, when our scalp is already vital and strong, our hair will become strong too. Okay, the third one is it will reduce the hair fall. Okay, when our hair is already strong, the hair fall can be reduced with a healthy scalp. Okay, the third one is regenerates the hair. Okay, all the ingredients that contain inside the seborrheic hair tonic will help the scalp to regenerate our hair with its active follicle and other good benefit. Okay, and for the last one is it will prevent hair dandruff. Of course, some men and women will have dandruff, a lot of dandruff in their hair. So seborrheic hair tonic is the best solution to help to reduce the hair dandruff. Alright, for the next part, I will give you some tips and the tutorial on how to use the seborrheic hair tonic. Okay, firstly, seborrheic hair tonic can be used once daily or after you shampooing your hair. Okay, so how to use it? Okay, first, make sure to apply on a dry hair. Okay, so for the tutorial, I will show you. Okay, so this is the hair tonic that I have been transferred here for easy to use. Okay, so first, just spray on your hair. Okay, so dependable on how much you want to spray. Okay, after you spray, okay, massage your hair approximately for 2 minutes. It will be good onto the scalp, so to make the tonic spreads all over your scalp. Okay, after massage, last one, okay, do not rinse and let the active follicle in the hair tonic to spread around your hair and absorb into the hair roots for it to working effectively. Alright, seborrheic hair tonic for me can work like magic to help to solve all your hair problems. So this is the hair tonic. Actually, you can use too the shampoo. So I use both of this combo for a better hair growth. Okay, so what is the conclusion I can give is that seborrheic hair tonic was really good for person that has been searching for the best hair tonic brand that have in the market. So there is a lot, but I will suggest this seborrheic hair tonic. Okay, so the price is only 35 ringgit, which is affordable and worth the money. I would be very recommend for you to buy this in order for you to have a healthy and shiny hair. Okay, this is suitable to use for all, by men or women. So that's all from me for today. Thank you.